Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So I've been thinking that it's been many days since we did a hairstyle tutorial. So that's why in today's video I'm going to be sharing a hairstyle with you all. But before we begin, if you're new here, I'm Param, a professional makeup artist, and I post beauty related content here. So if you're interested, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also that small bell icon right next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Now the summers are here. We do not want to keep our hair open in this hot and humid weather. Usually we either prefer to tie it into a ponytail or in a small bun. But when it comes to attending a virtual party, we do not want to stick to the regular hairstyles and want something different so that we can create a party atmosphere. So this video is the answer to that. In today's video, I'm going to be creating a side braid which is super fun and easy. I'm so sure you're going to like it. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So as usual, I am detangling my hair with the white tooth comb and I am going from the bottom to the top. In order to give a little volume to my hair, I am going to be applying a dry shampoo to my hair and I am using the Bee Blunt dry shampoo. You can use any dry shampoo. I can see that the top is still looking a little flat, so that's why I'm going to be adding a little volume by backcombing on my crown area. So if you do not like backcombing, you can skip it. Once you're done, just check which side parting is looking better and part your hair. I feel today a right side parting is looking better on me. Once you decide which side to part your hair, separate the hair from your temples till the crown area. Take the section on the opposite side of your parting. Like I have my hair parted on my right, so I'm taking my top section towards my left. You can leave out a few hair strands on both sides if you like it that way. Now secure the section with a black rubber band. You could also use a transparent rubber band. Your braid is going to start at the point where you put this first rubber band. So if you want your braid to start higher or a little towards the front, you just need to place the rubber band accordingly. You can now pinch and tug the hair to loosen and make the hair appear fuller. Next, on the right side, using your index finger, separate a section of hair 1 inch horizontally and take it over towards the rubber band. Take a similar section on the left side, which is about 1 inch thick, and take it towards the rubber band. Once you have both the sections from both sides, take them under the first rubber band and secure with another rubber band just below the first one. Remember to keep the first rubber band and ponytail out of the second one. Now you have two rubber bands and ponytails, one below the other. Divide the hair of the first rubber band into two halves and take the hair of the second rubber band through the middle and secure the second ponytail hair away with a hair clip. Now again take 1 inch section from both sides. Merge the sections with the two halves of hair that we earlier divided from the first ponytail. Join these sections and secure with a third rubber band just below the second rubber band. Remove the hair clip from the second ponytail. Gently tug and pinch the first ponytail halves, keeping it equal on both sides. The more you pull the halves, the fuller the braid would look. Now divide the second ponytail into two halves and take the third ponytail through the middle and secure with a hair clip. Once again, take two sections from both sides, merging them with the two halves of the second ponytail. Secure with a rubber band into a fourth ponytail. Remove the hair clip from the third ponytail. Again, pinch the two halves of the second ponytail to create a fuller braid. Now you can see the braid coming into shape. Repeat the steps again till you have secured all the hair sections into a ponytail. Once all the hair is secured, keep dividing each ponytail into half and securing underneath the other ponytail and pinching the sides without adding any more hair. Keep repeating the steps till the length of the hair to get a thick full braid. Since each ponytail is going through the previous ponytail, this braid style is called a pull-through braid. This braid is especially good for someone who has thin hair and especially if you want a thick braid without adding any sort of extensions. You can also make this braid at the back instead of the side. You can also decorate the braid with flowers, beads or pins for a more festive look.
And that's the finished braid. Isn't it so much fun to create, and it looks so much more fuller than the regular braids that we create. Do let me know if you want me to do more such virtual party looks, and I will be glad to make them for you. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be eagerly waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Until then, I love you guys so much. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.